What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have some extra large 5-inch canister shells from Raccoon Fireworks. These come in a 12-pack, 2 6-shot sleeves. There's all the effects they have. Bring that a little closer to you so you can read them all. And I believe they are in that order in the sleeves. So it makes it a little easier for you to, if you want to put them in that order. Let's see. Red glittering willow. Yep. So that's the first one. Teal. Yep. So they do go in order based off the box. So I will do my best to put them in order as they're listed here on the box. So we can see if they actually look like what they say. So let's take them out, see what they do.